Hi, everybody. It's Jessica here with Simply Do It. And I just wanted to make a quick video to share this exciting opportunity that we have. So this is a duplex. It's in a really great part of Kansas. It's Overland Park. And this property has been on the market for a while now. I think it's just fallen out of escrow due to buyer's financing. And so it's back on the market and they've dropped the price $20,000 from when it was originally listed. And I just kind of want to go over some numbers and show you why it's really exciting to me. First and foremost, here is a picture of this duplex. It was built in 1960. However, the roof and the siding is new as of 2021. So that's a big expense that has already been taken care of for you. They are asking $429. We are suggesting starting negotiations at $419 and seeing where you could land, maybe somewhere in the middle. And I believe that this particular duplex is occupied on one side by the sellers who are interested in potentially leasing back that unit. So that would be something for consideration and negotiations. But then you would have one unit already rented. But what I really like about this property, A, it's already gone down $20,000, but B, if you look right here, your cash flow right here is $449 a month. And these are using very, very conservative rents. The online estimators that I found said you could probably get 1,800 in good condition for each of the units. But this bottom rent right here is actually what they're actually getting. I'm being super conservative, going down another $200 a month. And yeah, I really, really like this property. And I wanted to go over some of the pictures with you. One second. I'm going to stop my share and reshare another screen so that you can get a better look at these units. Now, one of the units is already updated, and the other one is going to need some care and updating if you want to be able to maximize the rents. As you can see, this is the updated unit. It's very nicely done, very tastefully done. I like the hard floors throughout the living spaces. And this has a half finished basement. So this does have a value add opportunity if you want to go ahead and finish that basement and add some additional living space. It has a 2-car detached garage, which I'm not sure you can see from the picture, but it is right here if you can see my mouse. This is the back unit of the property. You can see it's got a partially fenced yard, which is also new. So that's a nice expense that you will not have to be shouldering. Here are some pictures of the other unit. And like I said, this unit is going to need a little updating if you want to charge maximum rents. But if you don't want to charge maximum rents, you just want to do kind of the bare minimum, you can do that. And the property still cash flows really well. So you've got a lot of options here. Here's a kitchen. Here's the other kitchen view. And I believe that these units are identical. I think they're just mirrored. So the pictures from the first that we saw that were upgraded will also apply to this if you want to do those upgrades as well. And here is the half finished basement in that unit. So I really, really like this. This has the potential to double your money in about 5 years. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the screen that I was looking at first. Here we go. And show you. So it looks like with a 30% down, your guys are coming in with about 145. And we've estimated between $6,000 and $12,000 to do some minor repairs and updates to that one unit. The first unit looks great. So I doubt it'll need much more, maybe not even paint. So if you look down here, you're coming in with 145,000 all in. And right here, you are looking at $138,000 and change in gains at the 5-year mark. So this can be improved upon if you do those updates and you're able to charge more than the conservative rents that we estimated. There is also a second duplex. They were sharing a parcel, and that parcel has been approved to be split. So I believe it's either already done or almost already done. So it's been approved and it's in process. So you're able to purchase one or both of the duplexes, and they're right around the same price. So this is really something that's got a lot of potential that I think that you guys should take a look at. Please let us know if you have any questions. Like I said, this is in Overland Park, and that is a highly desirable area. These are B schools, and the units are 3 bedrooms. So it's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, and they're about 1,000 square feet, but I don't believe that that is counting any of the basement space. So again, give us a call if you have any questions, or you can reach out to the local agent on the email, and we'll be happy to get you guys started or answer any questions that you have. Thanks so much.